In this video, we'll show you how to remove blackheads internally and externally. They can appear on your forehead, nose, chin, back, chest, and any part of the body. It can sometimes be difficult to prevent the development of this annoying problem, but you can learn how to remove blackheads and acne. Root cause of blackheads. The first step in knowing how to remove blackheads and acne is in knowing what causes the problem to begin with. They pop up on all parts of the body because of a blockage in skin and hair follicles, although the secretion of hormones also plays a role in the condition. Stress, allergies, accumulation of toxins in the body and metabolism can contribute to the formation of blackheads. Improper removal and acne treatment can lead to infection, scarring and further acne breakout. What is blackhead? A blackhead itself is a wide opening on the skin that has a blackened mass of debris that covers the opening. The debris can be from bacteria and sebum oil. Too much of such oils in the pores can be excessive, build up and get stuck. As the air hits these blocked oils, they become black. However, blackheads are not always black in color but can sometimes appear yellowish. They are generally the first stage in an acne problem and can develop into a pimple or pustule. Why squeezing a blackhead is bad? It is not uncommon for most people to want to squeeze out a pimple, acne or blackhead, but there are many problems with this procedure. Squeezing can cause more harm than good. Doing so can push the debris or pus further into the follicle rather than extract it, and cause infection, the formation of a cyst, inflammation and a worsening condition. Once a cyst is formed, it can only be treated by a doctor. If you feel that you must squeeze your blackhead, be sure to rinse the area before doing so and cleansing it afterwards. Just be cautious in applying oily lotions and creams to the squeezed blackhead. How to treat blackheads internally? The best way to treat acne and blackheads is keeping the skin hygienic and clean. Getting enough sleep, stress management, diet, and natural supplements can help with treating the problem from the inside. 1. Water. Eliminate blackheads internally begins with drinking ample supplies of water each day, at least 2 liters for good health and skin hydration. Water is not only a universal solvent for the skin, flushing out toxins from the body, promoting good digestion and other organs, but it also helps with fat digestion and other soluble components in the body. 2. Diet. Pay close attention to diet. Eating plenty of green vegetables, high-fiber cereals, proteins and grams is a major source of your daily food intake, along with fresh fruits and fruit juices. Some of the best options for foods are oranges, carrots, watermelon, salmon and apricots. Zinc supplements are important to fight off infection and inflammation and can be attained through such foods as beef, nuts, meats, whole grains, and legumes. 3. Supplements. Aside from a highly nutritional diet, another internal solution on how to remove blackheads is through some natural and dietary supplements. They are meant to counteract the toxins in your body that caused the acne and blackhead outbreaks. This is an optimum way to not only prevent and treat acne and blackheads but promote and improve good overall health. Herbal vitamins and minerals are the best remedies for removing blackheads. Echinacea and Oregon grape are both helpful herbs in boosting the immune system and eliminate harmful toxins. Scientific studies have discovered that concentrated forms of vitamin A can eliminate even the most severe forms of acne and blackheads. Vitamin A is very effective in treating this problem, especially in prescription form, but this is not necessary. You do, however, need the appropriate amount for your particular body weight. Be cautious in using the supplement in high doses except directed by your doctor to avoid toxicity. Other supplements are also effective in treating blackheads internally such as zinc, vitamin B, magnesium, sulfur, electrolytes, and chromium. How to treat blackheads externally? 1. Benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid. In cleansing and fighting acne and blackheads effectively, further scientific studies have shown the benefits of using salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. Bathe the skin with the solutions placed in hot mineral water. These solutions work to prevent bacteria growth significant in the cause of the problem. The only concern is that the peroxide can cause a dry skin condition if used in high doses. The salicylic acid seems to have fewer side effects. It removes dead skin cells to prevent the accumulation of these cells and oils from building up and clogging the pores. This cleansing process works best when used together with moisturizers and exfoliation treatments. 2. Important daily routine. It is important to cleanse your face twice each day, usually morning and evening before going to bed. Use a gentle soap for the face that also helps in gently removing the day's makeup. More frequent cleansing can strip the skin of necessary oils that also leads to dry skin. A great process in acne treatment is to use steam for a few minutes at a time to open the pores before cleansing. For the facial area, you can pour hot water in a bowl and lean into it with a towel over your head and the bowl, while your skin benefits from the steam. Then cleanse your face as usual. This is a great process just before retiring for the night. After cleansing, rinse the skin with cold water to close up the pores and follow up with a moisturizer with aloe. Aloe vera gel is a great solution that is soothing and non-irritating to the skin. It also works as an antibacterial to inhibit blackhead growth. 3. Moisturizer. Another choice moisturizer is one that is non-comedogenic. These types of moisturizers are oil-free and do not clog pores like many other products, and works to soothe and calm acne-prone skin. You can use such products liberally. Some excellent products are Cetaphil and others by St. Ives, L'Oreal, Aveeno, Neutrogena and more as advised by your physician. To find an appropriate moisturizer approved for your skin, read the label and be sure it states it is non-comedogenic or oil-free. 4. Peels, masks and Clarisonic Mia. Another method of how to remove blackheads is to use special facial peels and masks that will clean out the pores and reduce their appearance. Their pores tighten up, helping to further block the spread of blackheads and acne. Choose a mask that is chemical-free to help remove dead skin cells, dirt, and oil. Another great cleansing process is the use of the Clarisonic Mia Sonic Skin Cleansing System. It works similar to that of the Sonic toothbrush to cleanse the skin deeply and more effectively than the traditional cleansing of the skin. The Clarisonic Mia system enables the use of a gentle brush head that goes back and forth over the skin for gentle stimulation and cleansing. The skin looks and feels healthier. The process also helps other products to become more easily absorbed into the skin. With proper internal care and upkeep of cleansing your skin on a regular basis, as described, you can stay on top of any blackhead and acne problem. Feeding the body with proper nutrients and supplements, taking in ample water daily and following a cleansing process of the skin is the best remedy for eradicating blackheads, along with preventing them from reoccurring. Use the recommended topical products and moisturizers formulated to keep the pores open and healthy to treat and avoid problems with blackheads and acne. To get more videos like this, hit the like, bell and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas in your life, get in touch via the link below, or call us on this number, we'd love to help you.